This is a course for Power BI consumers, and you might be wondering, am I a Power BI consumer? Until recently, there was only really one role in Power BI, and that was a Power BI user. But as Power BI has expanded, it's become clear that there really are two different types of Power BI users. The first are designers. Designers create content in Power BI. And then there are Power BI consumers who use that content. So Power BI consumers use content created by designers, and consumers can modify that content, and they can even save the modifications that they make. But they can't damage the original content, even accidentally. If you are new to Power BI and your role in your business is to use content created by others, you're in the right place. If you're new to Power BI and want to understand how Power BI is used by end users in the business, you're also in the right place. Let's continue.